information about aloe vera. Aloe vera is a succulent plant species that is native to the Arabian Peninsula, but is now grown in many other parts of the world. The plant has been used for thousands of years for its medicinal and cosmetic benefits, and is now a popular ingredient in many health and beauty products. Aloe vera contains a variety of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other beneficial compounds that make it a popular natural remedy for a range of health concerns. Benefits of aloe vera. Skin care. Aloe vera is known for its skin-soothing properties and is often used to treat skin conditions like sunburn, eczema, and acne. The gel inside the leaves is the most beneficial part of the plant for topical use, as it contains high levels of antioxidants, enzymes, and other beneficial compounds. Digestive health. Aloe vera is a natural laxative and is commonly used to relieve constipation and improve digestive function. Aloe vera juice can also help soothe the digestive tract and reduce inflammation. Immune system support. Aloe vera has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help boost the immune system and protect against disease. Moisturizing. Aloe vera is a natural moisturizer that can help hydrate dry and brittle hair, leaving it soft and smooth. Reducing dandruff. Aloe vera contains enzymes that can help reduce dandruff and soothe a dry, itchy scalp. Promoting hair growth. Aloe vera has been shown to stimulate hair growth and improve blood circulation to the scalp, which can help promote healthy hair growth. Strengthening hair. Aloe vera is rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A, C, and E, which can help strengthen hair and reduce breakage. Taming frizz. Aloe vera can help to control frizz and add shine to hair, making it easier to style and maintain a sleek, polished look. Oral health. Aloe vera has antibacterial properties that can help improve oral health and freshen breath. Additionally, not all forms of aloe vera are safe for internal use, so be sure to talk to your doctor before consuming aloe vera products. While aloe vera has many potential benefits, it can also have some side effects, especially if consumed in large amounts or used improperly. Diarrhea. Aloe vera can have a laxative effect and may cause diarrhea, especially if consumed in large amounts. Low potassium levels. Aloe vera can reduce potassium levels in the body, leading to muscle weakness, fatigue, and heart palpitations. Stomach cramps. Aloe vera can cause abdominal cramps, especially if taken on an empty stomach. Interactions with medications. Aloe vera can interact with some medications, such as blood thinners and diuretics, and may increase their potency. Allergic reactions. Some people may be allergic to aloe vera and may experience symptoms such as itching, redness, and swelling of the skin. Hormonal effects. Aloe vera has been shown to have estrogen-like effects, which may disrupt hormone levels in some people. It's important to note that not all people will experience side effects, and the severity of side effects can vary depending on factors such as the amount consumed and individual sensitivities. If you have any concerns about taking aloe vera, it's best to speak with your doctor before using it. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel.